Okay, and so next it says to expose all three of the arms, and we're going to remove the broken sliders. They used to be this long. This one's broken off. I've removed this one here, and I used a Dremel tool. Seems to be the most appropriate thing to here. So we're going to remove one more here. So I'm going to fire up the Dremel tool. I'm going to hold this a little sideways here. Fire up the tool. It's a little loud. Be patient. Here we go. As you can see, we're going to grind just the end off the top of this right here until the slider falls off. Gotta put my tool back in, just a minute. There we go. There we go. Came loose. That's two. That's two off, one to go. Fire up the Dremel tool one more time. There we go. So all three of the arms are now removed. 1, 2, 3 broken arms. And of course now we have 3 brand new ones from the kit that I ordered. I happen to order this from Eckler's, but it is actually made in Fort Worth, Texas. oldairproducts.com. Okay, so we'll be putting these back on and getting back in a minute and show you that.